Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. Hello everyone, I'm Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different icons. Head towards the profile icon of yours given at the bottom right corner. After you land to the profile, at the top right corner you can find three bars. Tap on it. From here, select the option of settings and privacy, open it. Now over here you're gonna find different options. Go to the option of notifications, open it. At the top you can see that toggle on for pause all. This means you are in quiet mode. Now how to turn off it? All you have to do is toggle off for that option of pause all. Now you will get notification for all the posts, stories and comments, following and followers, messages, calls, live and reels, and all of these options given over here. This is how you can easily turn off quiet mode on Instagram. This was it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.